Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. Straight from Yahoo Finance, Cardano is being added to iTrustCapital IRA fund. So that's right, you can have your retirement fund partly in Cardano. Now, it is not the only cryptocurrency or the first cryptocurrency, but it being added is a pretty big step for Cardano. That's another way that people can actually invest in Cardano. And remember, retirement funds usually don't get taxed until you retire and start withdrawing. I think the age is usually like 65 or something. So that could be a long-term investment in something like Cardano, which is obviously good for Cardano. More money pouring into Cardano obviously means better things for the project and the coin. So it's a ADA third generation crypto and native to the Cardano blockchain, and they can now be accessed for investors' IRA and 401k for iTrustCapitals. So if you're using iTrustCapital for this, you might want to look into Cardano. It's going to join BTC, XRP, ETH, as well as LTC, EOS, and Link. So it is actually the eighth coin that's actually going to be added. Obviously, like iTrustCapital does all sorts of other things, including precious metals and other currencies and stuff. But Cardano is being added to the list of things you can invest in for your retirement fund. Remember, these retirement fund investments are not short-term FOMO investments. These are long-term, 5, 10, 20, 30-year investments. So we're looking at people who might come into Cardano looking at it as a long-term investment of at least a year, but maybe even 5+ years, which I think is like a little too long in crypto based on how new the industry is. But it gives us new confidence in Cardano. Obviously, it's one of 8, so it won't be the primary one. Bitcoin's probably still going to be the primary one, but I do expect other trust funds to pick up Cardano now that iTrust Fund is. Remember, they are all competing with each other. So like if one fund offers a new coin, and other crypto funds will want to offer new coins too. And those funds that don't offer crypto options will soon be forced into offering crypto options because if they don't, they will actually lose to competition. So obviously this is a good start for Cardano into the IRA and 401k market. It probably won't attract too much money right away, but even a small amount of that retirement fund money could be millions of dollars, and obviously millions of dollars investment pumped into a coin could raise the stakes because it does take that amount of the coin out of circulation, which basically shrinks the supply, and because of supply and demand, that should push the coin up. Obviously, there's other things like staking and stuff where Cardano is basically like 60-70% staked since Shelley, and that should actually hold back the supply and also push the coin up as well. So I think Cardano is probably still going up. Taking kind of a breather right now. It just recently pumped in from the 120s area to the 140s, 150s area, and I think we're going to go towards $2 towards the end of this month. And also, especially as we get on in the summer, I'm still keeping my projection of $5 to $6 at the peak of the run, which I actually think will probably crest like late summer, early fall, and then it'll probably maintain for a couple months before it starts dropping. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think, like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.